Hi, I'm Mary, and this is another magical math moment. We are going to be looking at matrix multiplication when done by hand. This is part 2 of probably 4. So buckle up. This is weird. Here we go. We've got a 2 by 2 matrix being multiplied by a 2 by 2 matrix. Now, in order to be able to do matrix multiplication, the number of columns in the first matrix has to be the same as the number of rows in the second, which is the case here. So it works out nicely. So watch what we do. We are going to multiply the first row by the first column. 2 times 4, and then -1 times -5. Okay. Next, we're going to go and do the first row by the second column. 2 times 0. 2 times 0, and then -1 times 6. Okay, let's move down here. Now I'm going to go 3 times 4, 7 times -5. 3 times 4 plus 7 times -5. Then I'm going to go 3, 7 this way with 0, 6. So 3 times 0 plus 7 times 6. Okay. If you've done this correctly, you're going to have the same numbers appear in the order here, and the same thing here, 0, 6, 0, 6. Okay, so let's go ahead. 2 times 4 is 8, -1 times -5 is +5. 3 times 4, 12, minus 35, 0 minus 6, 0 plus 42. And then we'll combine to get 13, -6, -23, and 42. All right, and there's your product. Not too bad, right? Okay, that was kind of bad, but hopefully it's not so awful. So when you're doing your multiplying row by column. So you're gonna multiply it out and then add, okay? Let's try another. In this one, our dimensions, I've got 2 rows by 1 column. This is a 2 by 1. And then this is a 1 by 1. Now you're probably thinking, how in the world do you do this? You actually can, right? So 1 is equal to 1. So I can do this. Now what's strange here is that you can also look at these numbers on the outside, and that's going to give you the dimensions of your product. Product dimensions. I neglected to mention that previously. So we should end up with a 2 row by 1 column when we do this. Okay, so we're gonna go -5, because that's the first row, by the column 3. -5 times 3. And then we do 4 times 3. So we're gonna end up with -15, 12. That's it. Okay. How about this? I tried writing it earlier and it was a mess, so let's try this one. We have a 2 by 2, and then this is a 1 by 3. So hopefully you're seeing here, we can't do this. So we would just say not possible. Those are like students' favorite types of problems because you can't do them. Haha. All right, I saved the best for last for you. If you're really feeling up to the challenge and you want to try it, put this on pause and then join back when you're ready. Okay, here we go. So we're going to do first row by first column. So I've got -4 times 5 plus 7 times 8 minus 2 times 2. And I didn't even check the dimensions first, which is terrible. This is a 2 by 3. This is, I should say, a 3 by 3, not also. This works. 2 by 3 will be our dimension. So it's gonna look like this when we're done. So hopefully I have enough room. I don't know if I wrote this small enough, honestly. Let me rewrite it so it's a little bit tinier. This is what I get for not planning out well enough in advance. Okay, next I'm gonna look at that first row times the second column. So -4 times -4 plus 7 times 10 minus 2 times negative 6, row by column. Finally, at the end, we're gonna go that first row by the last column, and I still don't have enough space. Son of a gun. All right, negative 4 times negative 3, 7 times 2, minus 2 times 9. We're gonna pretend that's all in the same row. All right, I need another color. Here we go. I'm gonna go 6, 8, 3 times this first column. So 6 times 5, 8 times 8, and 3 times 2. All right, next I'm gonna look at this times that. So we're gonna go 6 times negative 4, 8 times 10, and then 3 times negative 6. And then finally, row by column. So I've got 6 times negative 3, plus 8 times 2, plus 3, that's an ugly 3, times 9. Okay, that is in our matrix box. Oh my goodness, that's disgusting. All right, let's simplify this. So, negative 20 plus 56 minus 4. Next, I'm looking here, 16 plus 70 plus 12. And then I'm looking over here, 12 plus 14 minus 18. Okay. Down here, 30 plus 64 plus 6. Here, negative 24 plus 80 minus 18. And here, negative 18 plus 16 plus 27. All right, I'm gonna go to the calculator to help me because I'm not trying to do these calculations. I get 32 here. I get 98 in the middle. I get 8 at the end. Oh, look at that, 100. I totally didn't plan that. I love that. All right, negative 24 plus 80 minus 18, 38, and then 25 at the end. Cool, cool, cool. As you can see, this is a 2 by 3. It works. I'm happy. You probably are too because it's over. Check out parts 3 and 4 because I'm going to show you how to do this also on a graphing calculator. That's going to make your life a lot easier so you don't have to worry about making silly math errors in a problem like this. I hope that this video has been helpful for you, and please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.